So you guys might be facing an issue where it says Vanguard required TPM version 2.0. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the TPM issue in Windows 11. For fixing this issue, you need to go to your BIOS settings, and over there you have to enable two particular options, which is TPM and Secure Boot. Now for doing that, just simply right click on your start icon, then select settings, then scroll down and click on recovery. Then over here just simply click on restart, and when your system restarts it will be already in your BIOS. And if you want to do it manually, you can press the hotkey for the BIOS setting, which is either F2, F10, F12 or delete. So just simply reach your BIOS setting. So now when you're inside your BIOS, just simply go to the BIOS setting over here. Now just simply go down and click on Secure Boot, which you will find over here. Then just simply double click on Secure Boot option. Just double click on that. Just simply choose Enable. Now the next setting is FTPM. For choosing FTPM, go to Peripherals. Then over there you will find AMD CPU FTPM. If you're using an AMD based system, it will be FTPM for you, and if you're using an Intel based system, it will be PTT. So you can see the difference over here in this image. But basically it will be the same for both of them. So what you have to do is now just simply click on FTPM and press Enable. Then press that and then go to Save and Exit. Then just simply choose Save and Exit Setup. Just simply click that, then press Yes, and your system will restart. Now after making all of the changes, there should not be that issue anymore. So let's check whether it is working or not. So let's open the Valorant. So it might take few seconds to open. So as you can see, the issue is nowhere to found and the game is launching just fine. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.